Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, the lecturers and the student. Today we are going to present our PBL project for this semester, and this is the final exam. So, before that, I want to introduce my team first. And next slide. Okay, let me try it first. My name is Muhammad Zaki Agung Nugroho as the leader. So we came with four team. There are Yesi Hidayati, Shifa Andini, Kaila Radatul Jana, and also the Saras Putri Elviati. For the project manager, we have Ma'am Anis Rahmi. For the client, we have Mr. Fadli Swandi. Next slide. Okay, before that, I want to explain what's the connections between AR Futura, AR Futura game with Kampung Vietnam Batam. So we know Kampung Vietnam Batam is one of popular historical place on the Galang Island, but then along with the changing times and the technology, Kampung Vietnam feels like an old place to visit. So the a modern problem has a modern solutions, right? And the modern solutions of this problem is to make something feels more fun for promotional media for Kampung Vietnam, and because of that, our PBL project for this semester is making 3D assets for a game that's called AR Futura, which will be explained in the next slide. Okay, as explained before, we are going to make a 3D set for a game that's called AR Futura, which take the reference from the Kampung Vietnam itself. Sounds great, right? Actually, yes, because the big visions of our project PBL is to bring every user to back to the past of historical tragedy on this island by only using phones and the connections of internet. So, the question is, what assets we are going to make? So there are four main assets for this game, and will be explained by my team in the next slide.
Therefore, in the process of port building, our team set the location in Camp Vietnam. This decision is based on our concept for this project, which is the creation of assets for Vietora game that takes the background setting of a typical Vietnamese village environment. Next, there is a mood board that we have collected, such as from games and others. Next, please. First, we make a 2D sketch to simplify the work process and revision before entering the 3D modeling stage. Next. In this section, we display the assets that we have created. It consists of 10 assets according to the client's request. As you can see on the screen, our asset session has reached 100%. Next.
Okay, next is the characters. For the characters, we use the low poly techniques also and take the style reference from Roblox, combined with realistic human bodies. And for the facial expressions, we use 2D image texture techniques. This is the male main characters. His name is Tora. He wear a traditional Vietnamese cloth called áo dai. Next slide. Okay, this is the female characters. Her name is Vivi. Just like Tora, Vivi also wears the traditional Vietnamese clothes, áo dai. And she also have accessory in her head, flowers that also from the traditional clothes from Vietnam. Next slide. Okay, this is the NPC. For the NPC characters, we use the same style also like the main characters, but for NPCs, they wear more simple clothes rather than the MC. For this one is male NPC. He wear a green and white t-shirt and black pants to give a worn out unkempt impression because they are immigrants. Next. Okay, this is the female NPC. Just like the male NPC, she wears simple clothes like a plain dress and baggy pants, and she have short hair. Next slide. Okay, so this is the last characters. This is the child of NPC, portrayed as a cheerful kid despite a limitation. So her clothes are brighter and they have a ribbon accessory in her head. Next slide.
Okay, for this slide, in this project, we first create the rig. So the character called move, we also use inverse kinematic or AK on the hand and leg to make animation easy, and forward kinematic or FK for movement that need move control. After that, we did weight gain, so the body part called move smoothly without deformation. And for the next slide, we made a storyboard as a guide for the story during production. Some software change and improved to make the animation look better into digital compositing stage. For the next slide, this image represented the 5 scenes in our animation. Each image show the layout and compositing of one scene. Finally, for the last slide from me, for lighting and 3D rendering, next slide please. For lighting and 3D rendering, we test the lighting and render setting using the layout we had already created to produce beauty render for our course. Thank you.
Okay, this slide about animation collaboration project. As you can see on the left is our project report, which document the entire development process of our project, from planning and asset creation to implementation. The report focus on developing 3D augmented reality assets for the Vietnam application, which is designed to introduce Kampung Vietnam as a cultural tourism destination. On the right is our team charter. This document defines its member roles and responsibilities, our communication channels, project schedule, and team commitment. Next slide. As part of the animation business course, our team developed a business proposal. It's called Affili UGC. Affili UGC is a marketplace platform that connects 3D modelers with buyers of 3D assets. It's helped creators promote their work more effectively and reach the right customers. Our platform offers case features such as a boost system, asset creation, sellers levels, and automatic price recommendation. The proposal also includes market analysis, marketing strategies, operational planning, and financial projection to support the business idea. Next slide. Okay, these slides present the poster and cover design for our project Vitora. The overall design used blue as the dominant color to represent the sky and the floating islands environment. The poster features our two main characters, Vivi and Tora, with the yacht center in the background as one of our main 3D assets. And on the right is the project cover, which use the same visual styles and color to create a consistent identity and strengthen the branding of our project. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for the presence. Uh, thank you very much for the attentions. And before we closing, we hope in this semester we keep going and keep improving for the skill. And thank you very much. I'll end this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.